Hi, good people. Hi, Jordyn.
In the interest of time and clarity, the remainder of what I prepared will be read by my fabulous communication partner. As an 18-year-old non-speaking autistic, I endeavored to disrupt the status quo with regards to beliefs about people like me, and in turn, expand the opportunities we have in life. I'll let you into my world a little bit, such that you can maybe relate to what it feels like to be cognitively complete and yet have limited access to showing that to others, otherwise known as apraxia or a brain-body disconnect. To observe me, you might see me listening to kitty videos on YouTube and conclude, I love the Wiggles. Wrong. I love Sarah McLachlan, The Tragically Hip, a great novel or documentary, or a great conversation about life beliefs. I'm one super sensitive dude that has learned to keep my body calm and regulated by using those lame kitty videos as a buffer for my sensory system. What you observe is a coping strategy and means nothing about my intellectual capacity or my ability to listen and take in all sorts of information. You might also see me making my loving mom be part of an impulsive back and forth game. Again, this is my body playing out a calming sequence to remain regulated in a situation. Or you may see me stuck in a prompt-dependent loop. I darn well know all the actions to get into the car and buckle up or change into my PJs at night. However, without a verbal or gestural prompt, I lamely stand there as my body is stuck. Apraxia at its finest. I am honored to be part of the workshop, Shifting the Paradigm About Non-Speaking Autistics, at the Canadian Autism Leadership Summit 2022. My hope is that by sharing my life experiences and perspective, a shift will start to occur in the perception of and supports for people like me. I'm not a prodigy or an anomaly. I am a badass advocate whose loving family believes in me and never stops supporting me to have a full and productive life. I am an open book. You can read more about me and my experiences on my blog, Jordyn's Rocky Journey. See you on April 4th.